Welcome to our introductory video about the Royal Galapagos website. RoyalGalapagos.com was designed to offer the best and most modern fleet in the Galapagos Islands, for which we have developed the best buyer experience throughout an easy-to-use website, where you can find the most competitive prices in addition to our resourceful sales tools and documentation. At the homepage, you will find a list of our vessels, along with additional tour packages, add-on tours, and the comments and reviews shared by some of our former passengers. On the upper right side part of the page, you can access to a brief description of the following key information: weather, visitor sites map, and the Galapagos National Park rules. At the About Us section, you will find contact information for our Galapagos experts eager to help you with your sales and any question that may arise during your booking process. Our layout was designed to provide easy access to our products. When you visit the inner page of the products, you will find a description that makes the boat unique, key features, direct access to the main resources and information on every boat, photo gallery, prices, specified by cabin type, what's included and what is not, and additional information about discounts and supplements, itineraries, designed with an interactive layout where you can find the programs offered by every boat and important information about visitor sites, maps, and the route of the itinerary, deck plans and specifications. Here you can see the distribution of the ship areas by decks. By clicking the boxes next to each deck, you can see more details of the cabins, their features, and dimensions. Underneath the deck plans, you will find technical specifications about the boat. B2B. We strive to provide you with the best commercial tools for the success of your sales. In the Partners section, you will find essential documents such as rack rates. In this file, boat rates and itineraries are detailed. Flight schedule. A complete list of the flights we work with for a smooth and coordinated operation. Itinerary activities. Specifies the type of activity that the passenger can do on each visitor site. Terms and conditions. The whole policies and regulations for the use of our services. Cruise calendar. Here, you can find the boat's departure dates for the whole year. Day by day. A detailed description of the itineraries with complete information of the visitor sites and possible activities for the passengers. Photos and deck plans. High-resolution photos and illustrations downloadable by clicking here. Unbranded sites. Created to help you show your passenger the most updated cruise information without details related to Royal Galapagos. Real-time availability. Throughout our website and on the product pages, you will find a real-time availability search engine. In the search results, you will find available dates, the duration of each cruise, spaces available, on hold, or sold. You will also find special promotions with their rack rates, as well as the Inquire button that will lead you to the reservation form for the selected departure. If you need any further information, it will be our pleasure to assist you with any requirement or question that you or your customer may have. Do not forget to visit us on www.royalgalapagos.com.